it's something for every MotoGP rider, what they've done at this circuit before, how they've performed. Toby and Julian read these out, they're very impressed. They're impressed with the lives and knowledge. Yeah, they've got the light all up their head, all they're doing is reading. But don't tell them I told you that, because it spoils the image, you know. So that goes out to all the TV commentators, whether it's the American commentators, Polish, worldwide, and all the journalists. Yeah. Now, what most people want to know is how did I get into doing this? I've been doing it now for something like 17 or 18 years, and I've been following Grand Prix racing for 40 years, and actually created a database back in 1994, 95 but sort of some interesting figures that came out. We were behind the times in MotoGP in Grand Prix racing, and that nobody was producing any statistical information at all. Nobody knew how many starts anybody had done, nobody knew how many podiums or anything like that. There was nothing. So we were a bit behind on the sport. I was fortunate enough to contact a guy called Dennis Noyes. I don't know whether you know Dennis. You've probably heard of Kenny Noyes, who raced in Moto2 last year, or for the last 2 years. His father Dennis used to be a senior person in Dorna, and he got me into it, and Dennis is thankful for it. And since then, Dennis left Dorna in 2000, and since then Dorna have employed me to produce these. So I'm very thankful to Dorna for that. I know they get a lot of bad press, but I like them. And so it's produced for each race, and then it's copyright free, so anybody can use it. So it's a service that's provided for journalists and teams. And it's provided for 50% of everybody who started racing since 1949.
The data that Toby and Julian dish out, I guess that's from you, isn't it?
It is. Yeah. They are very good friends of mine, Toby and Julian, and they've helped me a great deal. And I don't know whether you've seen this. This is something else that I also produce. I don't know whether any of you've seen this. I know Carrie's got one. Is that this is the official 60-year history of Grand Prix racing. So myself